In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make over $100,000 per month with ChatGPT. I'm going to give you the fastest and laziest way to make money online if you're just starting out and you're brand new. Now, we actually have a way to access ChatGPT because right now the actual tool is waitlisted. If you go and try to sign up for it, it'll say, hey, you can't get in. But if you use this tool, which you can go grab at botunlocker.com, that's just my link that I use to redirect to the actual link, you can go and sign up. I think it's like somewhere around 50 or $100 a month, but you can get access to ChatGPT if you don't want to wait for the wait list. But here you can see this is basically ChatGPT. They're just pulling an API from the actual tool so that you can utilize it over here. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is how to use this tool in front of you that you're seeing to make a ton of money by automating what you do online. Now, before I get started, I want to ask you a question. If you're interested in videos and free trainings like the one I'm sharing with you today on ChatGPT and using AI to earn money online while you sleep, just reply with the word yes in the comments right now. Just pause the video, go reply with the word yes. It helps me out, helps me know to make more videos like this for you, and it helps the algorithm. So take a second and go reply with the word yes right now in the comments. All right, so first step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to scarytoolbots.com, and this checklist here that I built for you, it's a free checklist. You just go enter your email. Will give you access to not only this tool that I just shared with you here, but it's going to give you access to all the other tools that you can actually get paid to promote. So that's the first one right here, the one we're talking about. And you can also go and join the free Facebook group. I would encourage you to get in there. We have a ton of people that are sharing what they're doing to be successful with the methods that we're sharing in these videos. So if you're not in that Facebook group yet, make sure you go join. It is exploding in popularity right now. Look, we have 208 new people looking to join in. So all you have to do to get into that group is go to scarytoolbots.com, click on the link here, and you'll get in. All right. So how does this method work? What are we going to be doing? So one of the easiest ways to make money online right now with automation is to use short form content. If you look at my Instagram, if you look at my YouTube, if you look at my Facebook, all these different places, part of the reason why I'm getting so much traffic and so many people signing up for my emails and my different tools that I'm getting paid to promote is because of short form content. Now, let me just show you in the last, month, over $145,000 just in my Stripe account. And that's just my Stripe account alone. If you look at my PayPal and some of my other accounts, you'll see that I am making even more than that. And that's not to brag, that's just to show you that it's possible. And we have other people in our program, which we have a paid program called ChatGPT Riches. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can also just go to chatriches.com and join in. We have a live boot camp. I'll talk more about this later. But we have people that are using our methods and they're earning a ton of money. You can go check the Facebook group as well and verify that that's true. But these methods work extremely well because we're using one of the best things that you can utilize right now, which is short form content. Now, what is short form content? Short form content is basically anything that's below 1 minute in length. That's video content. So if I type in, I don't know, Jasper AI, which is the tool I was telling you about. Jasper is the tool that basically integrates with ChatGPT. I use botunlocker.com. The reason why is I created a redirect link that goes to what? My affiliate link. And so when people go and try out ChatGPT or whatever I'm talking about, I get credited. So you can do a similar thing to what I'm doing here. If I click on affiliate partners, log in, you'll be able to see that I've made $4,658 in the last probably month. If I look at payouts here, I can show you month over month. Look at 2,800, 2,800, 2,800. And imagine having multiple of these different tools and things that you talk about pay you out every single month. And so each one of the tools on the checklist that I showed you a second ago has an affiliate program, has a partner program. So you can start promoting these links. I'm not sure why this is taking a second to load, but you can promote these links and actually make money just by talking about the tools. But one of the important things that you're going to need in order to get paid and to start promoting all these tools is, first of all, you need traffic, right? So you need to be able to build traffic somehow. And we use short form content to build our traffic, and we use AI to build our videos. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. But you also probably need an opt-in or email list or some sort of community that you can use to monetize the different things that you talk about, okay? So how do you do that? Step number one is you go find some videos that are trending and that you think you can get views on. Now, if you want to talk about a tool like Jasper or whatever you want to talk about, let's say ChatGPT, you can go to YouTube, type in ChatGPT, go to filters, under 4 minutes, and you can start seeing the short form videos. So look at this. ChatGPT, $100 per day. All right. So what I could do is I can either go and grab a transcript of this video. If you go on Google and type in, YouTube transcript, you can paste these videos and it'll give you a transcript, or you can just go over to your tool over here, the one that we had pulled up right here. We could say, write me a TikTok video script or short form video script, same thing, TikTok, short form, whatever you want to call it, about making money with ChatGPT. Okay. So we're going to press go, and then ChatGPT will actually go and build us a script. Now, there's a couple ways we can actually go and make this video. We can either build it ourselves with a video editing app like CapCut. I'm not going to go too deep into that today, but we can either build it ourselves or we can automate the video, and you can use bots to do this. Now, again, I can't go super deep into this because we talk about this in our classes and this would be a very long video, but there are certain tools like this one called Descript or Speechify, and you can actually clone your voice into these apps. It's incredible. So we can sign into this tool, and basically what it does is it gives you a Google Doc that you read off of, and it will clone your voice into a video. And if you don't believe me, I can show you an example here. It's pretty incredible. I'd have to actually pull up some messages here. I might have to scroll back for a little while, but we're actually building automated channels right now with our bots, with our voice. So here's a video. Let me pull this up. 1 second. Okay, you ready? Let me turn on my audio. Check this out. So this is somebody that we paid. Well, actually, that one's not automated. This one is. Okay. So basically, the start of the video says, here's three more life-changing websites. Right now, the first part of the video isn't automated, and the reason why is because we're experimenting with using fully automated videos versus not fully automated, but you can put your face at the beginning and have the rest of the video automated, or you can just automate the whole one. But let me show you how this works. So let's press play.
3 more life-changing websites that you should save for later. Card.co allows you to create.
So that first part was an actual person. That's Michael. He has actually millions of followers on TikTok. He actually showed us how to do this. But these next parts, this is not him talking. This is an AI talking. So let me press play.
Single-page websites for free, making it a cost-effective option for those without a website. Namecheck.com helps you determine if you're...
So it sounds just like him, but if you pay close attention, you'll notice that it's not actually his voice. It's an AI actually cloning his voice.
Desired username is...
And so you can actually do this. You can combine ChatGPT and this other tool, Descript. And again, this is what we talk about in our classes. If you want to join, I really would recommend go over to chatriches.com and join in, because we have live classes where we show you how to do this. But you can take ChatGPT and Descript, and you could take all this text and build it into an automated video like this, where they think it's your voice or whoever's voice that you want to clone. And you could build videos, and you don't even have to be in the video. But again, there's different ways to do this. You can automate by hiring somebody else to do it and give them a script that ChatGPT wrote. You can use bots to just do the whole thing. You can do it yourself. There's so many different ways, but the use cases for this tool are absolutely insane. And that's what we're spending all of our time testing right now, and trying to figure out what is the best way to scale AI. What's the best way to scale these tools? And so again, if you want us to update you with more tests like this, again, leave a yes in the comments. If you haven't already, go say yes. And we know to keep giving you more content like this. But here's the idea. What we're doing is we're building a list, right? So when people go and watch one of our videos, whether it's automated or manual or whatever we do, so I do videos pretty much every day, short form videos like this one. Let me show you. I just did this one today. Fastest and laziest way to make money online. Essentially saying the same thing we're talking about in this video, except a little bit less long, right? Because it's only 60 seconds. But what I do is I just talk about, how to make money with AI. Now, when people go to learn more about this thing that I'm talking about, like what I'm telling you here, if they want to go and watch and learn how to do this, or they want to join our full boot camp, they can enter in their email to go find out more information. Or if they want to check out my free checklist, the one I showed you earlier, the Scary Toolbots checklist, they can enter their email. And so you can set up these email opt-ins where if they want to learn more about anything that you're doing, they enter their email. And then as you start to get an audience, as you start to bring people in, as you start to build attention and a community to what you're doing, look at this, 2,199 new leads just today. Imagine if you were getting 2,000 new leads a day. And imagine if you were automating most of it with what we're talking about. You would be making a ton of money. This is thousands of new people that are going to be interested in buying different products from you, whether it's this tool or this tool or this tool or whatever you're talking about, or you can start building your own products, or you can start selling services. The possibilities are endless. But if you want to get started, it's not going to happen overnight, right? A lot of people think, well, I'm just going to start making money overnight. No, you're going to start and hopefully you're going to make your first couple bucks with this system. If you make a couple bucks, then you're going to invest it back into the system, right? You can get started without any AI. You don't have to use AI to start. If you can't afford these tools, just go make a video. Just go replicate somebody else's video. You could take my videos. I tell people all the time in my courses, just replicate what I'm doing. Take my scripts and redo the videos that I'm doing. We have people that are literally just editing our videos. And there's this one guy, let me show you. His name's David Wilkinson. This guy's in our group. He made 6 sales on a $400 or $500 product just by taking the videos that I do and then editing them and speeding them up. Look at this. This is my video. He reposted on his Facebook, 1.1 thousand comments, 1.1 thousand shares, but this is his link. This is his email list. He's getting hundreds of people opting in for his email so he can go and sell whatever he wants after. Look at this other one. 570 comments, 277 shares. And so you don't have to necessarily be original. That's the whole point of short form content. Most of what people are doing is they're just copying the trend. They're just copying what's working. And so you start making some money. As you start to make some money, then you reinvest back into the different things you want, like tools or joining our live programs, whatever you want. But you don't have to pay any money to get started. The only thing that you might want to consider is how fast do you want to scale the system, right? People always ask me, well, Chase, do I have to buy into the stuff that you sell? No, the stuff that I sell is really just to help you accelerate what you're doing. But if you're not really doing anything yet, the first step is just taking action. Look at this guy in our group right now. He just posted 23 hours ago. Tobias, just got my first customer, $45. Okay, I know that's not a lot of money, $45, but guess what? If you're just starting out and you got your first sale, it's a great start, and taking action is incredible. Look how many people saw this, 52 comments, 4.5 thousand people saw this post. And so literally just by getting started, just by taking action, joining the group, saying, hey guys, I'm here. I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to rock and roll. That's what we want to see. We want to reward action takers. And we even give away money in our group to people that are taking action and leading as an example. So if you want to join our community, if you want to join our group, again, that's free. If you want to join our classes and you want to get involved, go to chatriches.com and you can join us on our calls, on our live calls, but it's up to you. Either way, I'm here to help and I appreciate you for being here. I hope you got some value from this video. Again, if you did, let me know and we'll see you in the next one. Till we do, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.